Claude is a very powerful AI tool that allows you to go ahead and create out complex contents by just using a few prompts. So in order to go ahead and access out Claude AI, just type in Claude.ai on a browser of your choice and you get to this page. So over here, you can enter out your email address and create a new account, or you can use a Google account right here to go ahead and then sign in or sign up for your account as well. So let me just go ahead and click on continue with Google right here. For example, then I can go ahead and choose an email that I'm signed in with, or sign in with an email if I haven't done so already, and then click on continue to go ahead and then access out Claude. And then this is basically what you have. You get access to Claude right here with all of its different features, as you can see. And in this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and see how we can utilize Claude and its various features to create out different contents with ease. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe